Welcome to Ada's Heels exclusive How to Walk in Heels. First thing first, choose the right heels. Before we even step out, let's talk about choosing the right heels. You wouldn't learn to drive in a Ferrari, right? So don't start your high heel journey in 6-inch stilettos. Best heels for beginners, block heels or wedges. They give better balance. Kitten heels. Small but classy. Platform heels. Less pressure on the balls of your feet. This is how you stand in heels. Imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head. Instant elegance. Engage your core touches stomach. Keep your knees soft. Bend slightly. Distribute your weight evenly. Shifts weight from one foot to the other. Walk heel to toe, not toe to heel. This. No, it's a one-way ticket to Clumsyville. This, yes. Smooth, controlled, and elegant. Practice this around your house. By the time you're done, you'll be ready for Paris Fashion Week. Small steps, big confidence. Trying to take big steps in heels. Disaster. Instead, take smaller, controlled steps. Think grace over speed. Walking slower actually makes you look more poised and confident. Use your arms for balance better. Your arms are your secret weapon for balance. Keep them relaxed and let them move naturally. Conquer stairs like a goddess. The trick. 1. Place your whole foot down gently. 2. Hold the railing. It's not cheating. It's smart. 3. Go slow, one step at a time. Survive any surface, grass, gravel, or sidewalk cracks. Oh no, the betrayal. Solution. Walk on the balls of your feet on grass. Avoid sidewalk cracks. Heels love to get stuck. If all else fails, act like you meant to do it. Confidence is everything. What do you think if you start falling? Falling in heels happens to the best of us. If you feel yourself tipping over: engage your core, tighten stomach, closing parenthesis. Bend your knees slightly, demonstrates soft landing stance. Find a soft landing. Confidence is everything. At the end of the day, heels are all about confidence. Own your walk, take your time, and most importantly, have fun with it. Walking in heels is an art, and now you've got all the tools to master it. Now tell me, what's the highest pair of heels you've ever dared to wear? Let me know in the comments. Confidence is everything. At the end of the day, heels are all about confidence. Own your walk, take your time, and most importantly, have fun with it. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Ediz, what if I still feel wobbly? Here's the thing. Every confident high heel walker you've ever seen, every supermodel, every celebrity, every stylish woman at brunch, they all started right where you are. Here's the thing. Every confident high heel walker you've ever seen, every supermodel, every celebrity, every stylish woman at brunch, they all started right where you are. Confidence isn't something you wait for, it's something you practice. The more you wear heels, the more your body adjusts, and soon walking in them will feel as natural as wearing sneakers. But here's a secret: even if you're still learning, people won't notice your mistakes as much as you think. What they will notice is how you carry yourself. A confident walk commands attention. It tells the world, yes, I know I look amazing. Now go out there and own every step.